I'm Meg Brown, Vice President of Human Resources at Cambridge Air Solutions, and we're excited to kick off this year's Cambridge Unleashed.
Cambridge Unleashed is a 4 to 6 month seasonal work program for anyone interested in learning, leading, and launching their manufacturing career. This program allows you to live in our culture and gain hands-on manufacturing experience while being part of our family. I've watched this culture unleash the potential of so many of our team members, and I'm excited to share it with you. In fact, 3 out of every 4 of our current manufacturing team came to us through this exact program. So how does it work? First, you become a learner. First 2 to 3 weeks of the program will be focused on job introduction and training in the areas of manufacturing, safety, lean, and culture. But the learning doesn't stop there. Next, you'll learn to lead. Throughout this program, you will have many opportunities to grow in your leadership skills here at Cambridge. It could be giving a grateful appreciation or shout out in the morning meeting, fixing what bugs you and making a video, showing the improvement, serving on a cleaning team, participating in a book club, or even leading the entire company in a morning meeting. Then you'll prepare to launch. Throughout the program, you're going to be working side by side with full-time Cambridge team members. At the end of the program, one of 2 things could happen. Option 1 is that you could launch your career here at Cambridge. All Cambridge Unleashed participants will be considered for open full-time positions as they become available. And our current trend is that about half of our Cambridge seasonal employees earn positions on the team. Option 2, leverage all the learning, leading, and growing you will have experienced in this program to find the very best fit for you. We exist to glorify God by enriching the quality of every life we touch, and through this program, we hope you and your family's lives are positively impacted. We want you to succeed no matter where you're working.
Life is short. Work somewhere awesome.